Hey everyone, it's the Nappy Life here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get this head wrap look with a bang. All right, stay tuned. So what you're going to need is a hair tie and a scarf. It doesn't have to be a satin scarf. I'm using a satin scarf today because I like the pattern. But it's probably better to get a scarf that's not satin because this will slide all over your head. But I just like the pattern, that's why I'm using it. So what you want to do is start by putting your hair up in a ponytail, a super high ponytail. And that is to get it out of the way so you can tie your wrap. Doesn't have to be perfect. I got this scarf from Walgreens for about $8, so doesn't have to be anything fancy smanchy. All right, so you're gonna start by wrapping the scarf around the back, looping it in the front one time, looping it in the front 2 times, and then tying it in the back. So this is not what this tutorial was supposed to be, but I like it. I like the bangs. So just clean up the bangs. I'll post this tutorial first, and then I'll do the other one because this is kind of cool. Just cleaning it up a bit. It's like a messy head wrap with bangs. Okay, I like this. Make sure you can still see though. Okay. Let me pull that up a little bit. Can't see too well. All right, so this is a look. That's it. I am here with another head wrap tutorial. This time, this is just going to be a side swept updo. So what you need again is a head scarf. You don't need it to be a satin scarf. It's probably best that you don't get a satin scarf because it'll slip and slide all over your head. And a hair tie just to get the hair up out of your way. So you want to put your hair in a high ponytail. Doesn't have to be perfect. This is just to get the hair out of your face. And then you're going to start by wrapping the scarf around the back. Make sure it's off to the side of it. As you can see, I'm not tying it right here. I'm looping it to the side. Then you're going to bring it around the back. Mind frame. Tie it twice so it stays in place, and then you can kind of tuck and hide the ends. All right, so now you're gonna take the ponytail out, bring this down some to release the hair. And then you can bring this down as much as possible. And then bring this part down too to expose, you know, more here. And there you have it. A side ponytail with a head wrap. Just clean this up a bit. That's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.